Hey, so today I'll be showing you how to complete the Rubik's Cube. Really simple once you learn how to do it. It's just different moves. So, gonna mix it up and we'll get started. Alright, so I've got it fairly mixed up and going to be teaching y'all how to solve it. Well, first thing you want to do is determine this. Say you want to do the white side first, which to start off a Rubik's Cube, you usually complete one side. So I'm going to say my white side is the side I want to complete first. So that will be my up movement. Okay? So then this green side will be my face or front. This will be right, left, back, and down. Right here. So, up, down, left, right, front, back. Excuse me. So, the first step is to get a white cross. Right here. While making sure that the white pieces line up with the middle piece they're over. So like, I've got this white middle piece right here, it's an orange. So I want to move it down, move it around till I get to this orange right here, and move it back up, and now I've got a red right here, and an orange right here. So I've got a green, so I'm going to move it to where there's the green there, and I'm going to turn it aside, turn only this middle piece down, turn it back, and put it up. So I've only got one more piece missing, and let's see if I can find it. It's right here. It's the blue. So I want to turn it, get it out of the way, put it out of the way, turn it down, put it in, and I've got the first top cross. Next step is to put the white corners in their places while keeping in mind that this white piece right here will need a blue and a orange on its sides. So I'll just start with my blue and orange I just showed y'all. There it is. So get it down from there, and I like to use an algorithm when they're down here. So my algorithm is right counterclockwise, left, down, right clockwise, down, right counterclockwise, down, right clockwise, down. One more time, and it's in place. I've got this orange, green, white. So I look for the orange and green. I've got it here. So I move this time, since it's right beneath it, I move it aside and put it back in, and it's there. I've got a white piece right here that needs to go here. So this red and blue. I pull it down, move out of the way, and it's simple. I leave it there since it's sort of below that, but it's inverted, so I leave it there, turn it, and it's in its place. Last one is the same as the other one. Alright, so we have the white side done, and little T's right here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a T, there's a T, and there's a T. So now what I want to do is fill in these spaces with the right colors. So I've got a red and green right here. So I want to line the color that's in front up with its color, and then I'm trying to put it here, so I move it out of the way, move this side down, put it back where it was, move it up, turn, look, so this, you turn right here, and then you shift the cube this way, pull it down, pull it right there, and up, and it's in its place. Now, see if I can find the red and blue. I can't. I've got this blue and orange though, so that will work. Since the red and blue's right here, I'll just pop it out of place. So, got my blue and orange, trying to get it right here. So, move it out of the way, pull it down, move it to the side, put it back up, turn it, shift the cube, turn this down, put the white back at where it goes, and I've got the blue and orange where it goes. So I just took a blue and red out of where it wasn't supposed to go, and I'm about to put it in. So I move it aside, move it out of the way. Sorry. Pull the white down, move the blue back where it was, put the white back up. It's missing a corner, so I shift this over, turn the whole cube, pull this down, and shift it right, and it's up in there. I only got one more piece to go. So I will, well, it's right here. So I need to shift it out of the way, pull this down, put it back where it goes, do that, turn it, shift, pull it down, shift, and it's back where it goes. So you now should have, if I did it correctly on how I'm telling you, you should have a whole white side, or whichever side you want to start with. You do not have to start with the white side. 2 rows of blue, orange, green, and red. Only if you started with the white side. If you started like with the red side, you would have 2 rows of yellow, green, white, and blue. So now you need to get this yellow side done. So this part's fairly easy. See, I already have this L shape, but, and let me get that out of there. There, so say you have a line, you make sure the line is running parallel to your body, and you do this simple step. You turn the front like this, turn the top like this, Yeah, I'm sorry. And then turn the right up, turn this over, turn it down, and turn it like this. Alright, so I got the L that I had. Now it's easy. One more of those, what I just did, and it should give me the cross I'm wanting. So, make sure this, it's a backwards L, but make sure it's pointing, say it's an arrow. Can you imagine that? An arrow? It's pointing this way. So I want to make an L with my right hand and put the point that it's pointing with right there. So, and I do front, up, right, front. And I've got the cross. Well, and now, before I do corners on the cross, I need to sorry about that. I need to align these corners. See, they're not exactly where it's supposed to go. So, alright, this is orange and blue, orange, blue, blue, orange. So that's in the right space relatively. Red and green, that's not. Well, I've got green and orange and green and red, so I can move it here. That's in the right relative space, and that's in the right relative space. This isn't, and this isn't. They need to swap. So the correct side on my left, I pull it down. A second. Sorry about the camera. I'm shifting it, I know. So I need to changing these two. So I pull this down, pull this aside, pull this down, put it back, pull it back up, pull this aside again, pull this back up, pull it aside, and pull it aside one more time, and they should be lined. And as far as I can tell, mine are. So now to get the corners, you do this simple thing over and over until you get all the corners. Right, up, right, up, right, up, right, up. And if you get one corner, make an L with your left hand and put the corner in the crease right here. So again, right, up, right, up, right, up, right, up. So now I've got this, but I've got this middle piece, this middle piece, this middle piece, and this middle piece missing. So I'm just going to pick this orange and blue side, so this blue needs to go here. So I remember that. So I go right, turn it this way, front, back, right, front, back, turn it the same way, and right, and I've got one side complete. Sorry. Got it orange and red, so the orange needs to go over here. So this time I'll go right, and turn it this way, front, back, right, front, back, turn it this way, right, and you have just solved the Rubik's Cube. Click like if you, please subscribe, click like if you like it. I